Hey, what's up guys? Today video I'm going to talk about Nubia M2, but before that, let me show you what I got with the package itself. The box, introduction note, USB cable, US charger. That's all, nothing else we got here. Let's talk about the phone itself. Round edged, a compact body, slim thick, dual diamond cut metal frame, a Corning Gorilla Glass, ceramic spray, makes this device feel as smooth as your skin in your hand. 5.5-inch Super AMOLED screen presents a crystal clear image in Full HD 1080p. Feels like I'm falling in love with this device. Power switch as well as the volume rocker. The dual SIM card slot right there. On the bottom you've simply got your charger port as well as the mono speaker. Okay, here we go, the almost bezel is smartphone and the front facing camera hiding up there. So the display here is 1920 by 1080p, it goes brighter. There we go. All the max is brightness right there. It's a pretty nice looking IPC, and of course IPC tech has some grid of axis viewing angles. Okay, for the music in YouTube, it's pretty louder and pretty good speaker on it. Android 6.01. Out of the box we got a Snapdragon 625, 4 GB of RAM, internal storage 64 GB. I have to mention it's a global ROM, so there are no Chinese apps. As a primary camera there are 13 megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture. The battery 3630 mAh and it does feature quick charge 3.0. Let's see how camera works here. Oh wow, very quick response to tapping. The pictures are so. Let's try the pro setting if you are professional just like me. One of the great aspects of the camera is the sheer amounts of control. We can change the shutter speed, white balance, ISO, focus points, each of these controls allows us to change the way our image looks like. We also got a camera family here with so many functions. You can try like many different type of styles when you're taking pictures. In video, within the setting, here you see, I can go all the way up. So we are now recording some 4K video on the Nubia M2. Does it grab focus? Yeah. The fingerprint pass. It's the fastest I ever tried. Let me show you how. It's fast in the second you're touching. That's so satisfying. This budget smartphone, $20 cheaper than Redmi Note 4. I've been using this phone for almost 1 week and I like it from the first glance. It's really beautiful, fancy. The only bad things, it's sometimes lagging when you're running a lot of apps in background, but even with the expensive phone, sometimes it's happening. So you can get this phone from the description below for 150 bucks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching us. Until next time, very important, we wish you a happy new year and may you blessed enough to spend this happy new year with your parents, with your loved ones, with your friends. 2018, peace.